I am absolutely on a roll lately. If you've noticed, I've been uploading videos back to back daily. The reason being is I just want to really help you guys and give you guys more value, and also let you know what my YouTube channel is about. If I don't upload enough videos, you won't know what my YouTube channel is about, and therefore you won't subscribe. So here I am, just giving you a little bit more context on my YouTube channel. But not only that, guys, I'm also thanking all of you for subscribing to Anthony Allen Edits. We have recently surpassed 1,500 subscribers here on YouTube, and I want to keep delivering the value that got you to subscribe in the first place. So this video is nothing more than a thank you video. I'm just thanking you all for subscribing to Anthony Allen Edits, and yes, there's going to be a lot more content coming. Let me know what you want to see. This YouTube channel is more of a community and not just things that I just put out for you guys to choose whether you see it or not. This is a community YouTube channel. I see this as a community YouTube channel. You can hit me up in the comment section and I will respond to you either in a up and coming video or the next video. I like to talk to you guys and have a back and forth conversation, not just sort of talk to myself or stroke my own ego. That's not what my YouTube channel is about. It's about helping you guys either get better at video editing, find a product online cheaper but of high quality, and or just, you know, just interacting with each other, getting to know each other and trying to help each other as much as possible. Sometimes my subscribers have helped me create better content in terms of the subject in which we're focusing on. So my YouTube channel normally focuses around video editing, hints, tips and tricks, Final Cut Pro X as well. I will be, because it's been requested, talking about more free editors and things that are available to you and apps that are available to you free. But I sort of already kind of do that a lot of the time with the product reviews and the reviews and discounts playlist, because I like to give you the cheapest option or the most worthwhile discounts on a high quality product, so that you can sort of, you know, further your career either here on YouTube or just genuinely get something, some piece of tech or something online, you know, quicker, rather than having to save too much money or twice the amount of money in some cases to get that product. I mean, one of my earliest videos here on YouTube was how to get yourself a free Xbox One or PS4 for free. And that was from a website called Mobile Phones Direct, and you actually get that product as a gift. So if you've enjoyed this video and I've gave you a little bit more context on what Anthony Allen Edits is all about, then give me a thumbs up. I've got more videos coming as well to my channel. This will be in probably my Real Talk YouTube playlist. The reason why is if I'm talking to you guys directly, that's most of the time where that will appear in my Real Talk playlist, but it can also appear in different playlists if it's a form of a review or so forth. You get the point, hopefully anyway. But yeah guys, thank you so much to all the subscribers who subscribed to Anthony Allen Edits so far. You know, thank you for being along on the journey, and hope to continue to provide value to you guys so that you have, you know, a better day, a better life, you know what I mean? But yeah, thank you for subscribing and see you soon in the next video. Peace.